Need to send money to family abroad or pay for an international service? Bank of America offers international wire transfers, but it's important to know the steps and costs. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can initiate a wire transfer online, in the app, or at a branch. You'll need the recipient's full name, address, and their bank's details, bank name, SWIFT/BIC code, and international bank account number, IBAN. Be aware of Bank of America's outgoing wire fees and potential intermediary bank charges. Exchange rates will also apply if converting currency. My crucial pro tip? Use the Send Money Internationally online tool for clarity. For your first time, use the guided online tool. It will walk you through each field you need to fill out and show you the estimated fees and exchange rate upfront before you commit. This prevents costly errors. Send money across borders with confidence and full transparency. What's the primary reason you've needed to send money internationally? For more guides on global finance, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.